What's up, cooks? I got some chicken, we got bell peppers and onions, and we got some provolone cheese. Let's go out on the Blackstone and cook us a chopped chicken Philly. Come on, let's go.
We're on the Blackstone here. Let's go ahead and get a little oil going. Right. Let's go ahead and get some hasty onions going, right? Because that's what you do. Oil going. Break up some of these onions here. Oh, it smells great, doesn't it, Boo-Boo? So, ready for some bell peppers? Let's just get a little salt and pepper going on these things. And a little stash. Actually, I'll keep that lid open. Yeah. All right, so we got the bell peppers going, got the onions going, yeehaw. One thing I like about the Blackstone is it's big, right? Now, for temperature control, this area is kind of hot, this is a medium, and this is a little cooler. So this is my cool zone. A lot of times when I'm using a grill, you like to have a hot zone and a cool zone. Griddles, you don't really think about that too much, except maybe when you're, I don't know, cooking and holding things. Like when you got a griddle, maybe you're doing pancakes, you know, you just want it hot, right? You put your pancakes on, you get them off. But if you're going to be cooking and holding things, you can't have it at 400 degrees. They're going to be killing things, trying to wait for different things to cook. Like we got chicken coming up next. So what I'm probably going to do here is get this stuff going over to my medium zone here. And then I'm going to be getting my chicken on here. So, that's the beautiful thing, right? We can cook multiple things at once, right? It's not like a little fry pan where maybe you can only do one thing at a time. So, go ahead and get that stuff over here. So over here, we got 3 chicken breasts. They're not all that big. I think one's decent size, and 2 are kind of small. So we're just going to go ahead and Amy went ahead and butterflied them. Like, let's get a little water on here. So. Oh, we'll get some seasoning going in a second here. So what I like to do is to keep the chicken from sticking, you steam it. That's the reason why you got butter. So water. So oil is good, but you also gotta think about water. Let's get some seasoning. So we got a little salt, just putting on here, and then we're gonna have a little pepper. Yeehaw, right? And then we're going to hit this with this dash here. And then let's go ahead and get these bad boys over to the side here. Let's go ahead and seasoning there. The chicken wasn't exactly pulling. So what I'm doing here is I've got my left spatula. What do you call these things, Boo-Boo? Spatula? Okay. So I'm holding the meat with my left spatula and I'm kind of pulling it away with my right. Let's give it a little more water here to steam them up. Pulling this away.
Usually they can cut when they start getting a little closer to being done.
Well, like this one guy, I think is a little thicker. He's taking longer to cook, so he's not cutting as easy. So, all right. The boo chef over there. I'm guessing she's semi-happy with what I'm doing. Huh? Sure. Well, when she looks nervous, she's coming over here. I'm like, uh-oh, something's not good. I think the bell peppers, onions are ready to park over here. That looking good, Boo-Boo? Bring our happy family over here. So, gotta bring all the toys out for this one, right? This off. Looking pretty, right? So let's all right, we're gonna have a little fun here. Amy can't have cheese on her food, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna divide this roughly half or so. Bring hers over here where it'll stay warm. And mine will be over here. I'm going to go ahead. So we're going to put some provolone cheese on here, and I got a little hamburger dome thing, which will help steam it. Get this melting going. So let's get just a little bit more. And then let's turn the burner down a little bit. Let's go ahead and get these little bad boys in there.
So make the sandwich there.
I didn't do that so good, but
you did it good enough.
Close enough here. Let's get some more on there because we got more to put on there. So, all right, that's the first bite. Mine's going to be a mess here because we got that all going. So.
On top of it.
Huh?
Okay.
Let me go ahead. Let me go ahead. Ready for the...
You can put all that on there? Holy cow.
Might as well. Got to get the stuff off.
Okay, but let's have our little sandwiches here. It was cold out there.
About 40, maybe.
One great thing about the Blackstone, you just throw all your stuff in there, basically stir fry it up, and it's done. And done and tasty.
Buns are quasi steamed. The butter really softened them up. The chicken and everything got a lot of flavor to it.
Really good.
Got a little crunch. I like cooking on the Blackstone. It's a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun.
It's big. It can be intimidating at the beginning because, with an indoor griddle, it's usually Teflon coated. You just throw stuff on, you cook. This thing's carbon steel, so you have to kind of treat it like cast iron, kind of. But once you kind of get the hang of it a little bit, water and oil and stuff, it's fun, really. You just do a lot.
And we buy these. There's a local place here. I buy the chicken Philly.
Mm-hmm.
And when we go there, it's like $40 every time we go.
Well,
here, a lot cheaper.
A lot cheaper. Very tasty. And
Delicious.
it is. And it's real food, right? We're not talking about going to some fast food place that garbage, right? It's chicken and vegetables. Yum, yum, right?
So we're off to eat our sandwiches.
Yum, yum.
Hope you enjoyed this.